All right, guys. So it's winter time out here. It's pretty cold. Got this little boat here that I'm working on, and I'm gonna make a little cabin over it so I can work on it. I gotta fiberglass it a bit on the top, fix some things, get this motor sparking. But I wanna put heat in the cab, and I'm thinking with this exhaust pipe off my diesel heater, I'm thinking it's gonna fit right in this anchor chain. And what do you know? All right, put the diesel heater in this thing. Awesome. So that works. Now it's time to pull my diesel heater off this wall and install it in my boat. Let's get to doing that. All right, I need my phone for the light. All right, so I had to cut this little mounting plate for it to hang on. Something like that. Something like that. So, put a crossbar in there, screw it to it. The exhaust goes out the hole, insulated so it doesn't catch anything on fire, of course. Now I'm just gonna run the fuel line, battery power, and away she goes for now. All right, let's continue on here. All right, when you're mounting the fuel pump, you gotta make sure it's not level. Let's get some light over here. It's not level, it's on an upward slope like this. That way when this piston's going back and forth, if it gets an air bubble in there, it won't overheat the pump. If it's on an angle, the air bubble will always work its way out, all right? You want air in there, cook your pump. So, I am going to find my drill. There we are. Just for now, I'm gonna tack it in this corner. There you go. Take all this extra fuel line, tuck that away. All right, it's been a couple of minutes here. 160-degree exhaust toot. It's already gotten 6 degrees in here, and it's working sweet. Pump's pumping away. There we go. So you want more power? Oh yeah, check this thing out. It's got a fob. Watch this. Up. Hey, that's a rip. Okay, so I got it installed just like that. Exhaust going out. Got the exhaust all wrapped at the bottom, so heat gets out. Now I gotta plumb this sucker out up into the wall. Get that all figured out. Let's get it going. Well, I've been running for about half an hour down there. It's 14 degrees in here. Pretty warm. Windows are clear. No snow on them. There's my little muffler out there. Pretty awesome. We got heat. Anyway, that's how you install that. All the connections are really straightforward. You can only connect one way. Hook it to a battery. And you heat.